EU's top court deals blow to Warsaw. Judicial reform violates Bloc's laws. The EU's top court has delivered a significant blow to Warsaw, ruling that the judicial reform mandating Polish judges to disclose their political affiliation is in violation of the Bloc's laws. This ruling aligns with previous criticism from Brussels regarding the contentious judicial reform implemented in Poland in 2019. The Court of Justice of the European Union, CJEU, reiterated its earlier decision regarding the now-defunct Disciplinary Chamber of the Supreme Court and further ruled on the various restrictions and transparency requirements introduced by the reform for Polish judges in December 2019. In 2021, the CJEU declared the Disciplinary Chamber to be in breach of EU law and ordered its dissolution, a measure that Poland implemented the following year. The European Commission had previously taken legal action against Poland, asserting that the reform compromised the independence and impartiality of the judiciary. Polish Justice Minister Zbigniew Ziobro strongly criticized the verdict, claiming on Monday that it was not written by judges but politicians within the EU and alleging corruption within the issuing court. The ruling also criticized the limitations imposed on the authority of Polish courts to determine compliance with EU laws regarding domestic policies. Concentrating this authority in a single body under the reform was deemed monopolistic and undermined the fundamental right to effective judicial protection enshrined in EU law, as stated by the court in a press release. The CJEU also raised concerns about the requirement for Polish Supreme Court judges to disclose their official and private political affiliations. While Warsaw presented this measure as a means to reinforce judicial impartiality, the CJEU deemed it a violation of the judges' privacy, exposing them to potential stigmatization. This ruling is final and has implications for the accrued fine imposed on Poland in October 2021 in relation to the reform. The daily penalty initially stood at €1 million, $1.07 million, but was halved in April. Presently, the total amount reaches approximately €550 million, $588 million, and the CJEU emphasized that Warsaw must fulfill the payment. The ruling follows a large-scale protest over the weekend led by the Polish opposition, spearheaded by former Prime Minister Donald Tusk. Tusk, a former president of the European Council and a staunch supporter of the EU, currently represents Poland as a member of the European Parliament, MEP. Tusk claimed that around 500,000 individuals participated in the rally.